I'm back with another Amazon wig find, and this one is great for the fall, so let's jump right into it, you guys. The info to this wig and the products I'm going to use will be in the description and comment section of this video. All right, y'all, so this is another synthetic wig, and looking at the construction, this wig has a textured feel. I went ahead and cut the lace, and it comes out as a middle part. It does come with combs as well, and here's a look at the wig cap. All right, you guys, for this wig, I'm so happy to report that I did end up wearing it glueless, and it was super easy to style glueless. I did add some eyeshadow powder to the hairline just to like hype up that dark root just a little bit, and I really love that this wig has color and it has a really nice dark root which is blended pretty well, and I feel like that makes it look less wiggy, and I really like that. Another thing I did style was add some product to the parting space just to kind of bring that parting out a little bit, and then I also did add heat to the top. I let you guys know this is like a wig that has like a textured feel to it, so I did add a little bit of heat to the top just to flatten it a little bit, you guys. And here is the final look of the wig. So let me tell you guys my pros, cons, and all of that. I literally love the way that this wig looks. I am not a big middle part fan. I barely ever wear my hair in a middle part. If you guys follow me, y'all probably know that. And this is one of those wigs that literally looks so good as a middle part. And to me, that is very impressive, okay? This is an Outre Nisha wig, you guys. And this one is in the color Cinnamon Spice. I'll put the entire color name and wig name on the screen for you guys. But this wig is such a winner. I love that you get a little bit of length. It's not too long. As you guys can see, it's a bit past my shoulders, but it's not extremely long, and it's not extremely thick either. Like, I feel like I could probably wear this wig now. It may be a little bit warm, but since we're going into the fall months, it might be a great transition wig into the fall. The color, this Cinnamon Spice, is such a great way to do like a red tone. It's got that dark root, like I said, so it blends really beautifully. And I am wearing this glueless. Like I told you guys, I didn't have to glue this down. And look at the parting space, look at the lace. It looks really good. This wig is definitely a winner in my opinion. Great for beginners and super easy to style. I hope you guys enjoy this wig review. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this style. I think that it is so beautiful. Again, info to this wig and product info plus some more recommendations from me are in the description and the comment section of this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Have a great weekend, y'all. Bye.